Hey guys, we received this CSJT travel pillow with the vacuum compressed memory foam for the neck pillow for the support in your travel or any other thing. So this is a great support during the travel, comes in a really nice carry bag as you can see, and this is a zipper thing that you can put it on the bag or anything. So just take it out. So this is the storage case and this is the compressed the pillow. So just take this out. So as soon as you take it out, you can see a very nice thick memory foam and very nice fabric, soft and comfortable. This also have this band so that it can take the position of your neck and then will not fall down while you sleep during the travel. So my impression is a very nice soft fabric material. It have the zipper so you can wash the upper cloth or the cover and keep the memory inside. Memory foam is also a nice high density memory foam. So once I wear this feels really comfortable. Looks bulky, but it's a really nice. Bulky is because of a lot of memory foam here, like highly compressed one. But it's easy, like it support the neck really well. So you can see it supports the neck, and then I feel really relaxed. So by just putting your neck back on the travel seat, you will feel really better. So have this adjustable straps, and also the side corners are good and comfortable.